Namaste everyone, I am Prasad. As I had conferred about the stuff called soul in my previous video, though there are questions existing about it, why the soul cannot be recognized by us. Because soul is the self-consciousness of our body. One can still understand the presence of the soul simply by the presence of the consciousness. Sometimes we do not find the sun in the sky owing to clouds or for some other reasons, but the light of the sun is always there, and we are convinced that it is there for daytime. As soon as there is a little light in the sky early in the morning, we can understand that sun is there in the sky. Similarly, there is some consciousness in our body, whether man or animal. We can understand the presence of soul by consciousness. There are various theories regarding the consciousness. As the science also says, consciousness is the basic living property of the living entity. As we again stare into Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says that Yata prakashayatyekah Krishnam lokamimam ravihi Kshetram kshetri tata Krishnam prakashayati bharata. Here Krishna is saying to Arjuna that Arjuna, as the sun alone illuminates all this universe, so does the living entity. One within the body illuminate the entire body by consciousness. Means Krishna is saying that as the sun is situated in one place but is illuminating the whole universe, likewise the soul is present within our body at one place, illuminating our consciousness. As the sunshine or light is the proof of presence of the sun, likewise consciousness is the proof of the presence of our soul. When the soul is present in the body, there is consciousness all over the body. And as soon as the soul has passed from the body, there is no more consciousness. Means we can say there is no living entity exist at that particular body. Soul is that what we are. We are the soul, not the body. How? Let me clearly tell this by saying an example. Assume that if you are holding a pen, if you are holding a pen and tells that this pen is mine. If you are holding a pen and tells This pen is of mine. What is the meaning? The pen which you are holding will be belonging to you, right? Meaning of the sentence confers that the pen which is holding belongs to you, but you are the different from the pen, but it belongs to you. You are not a pen, but it is different from you, but it is yours. The pen is yours. You are not a pen. Likewise, this body belongs to this soul. We can tell that this body is of ours. We are not the body, we are the soul. By soul, we can tell this body is ours. I think you all understood. So, I will tell or explain about the soul even more brief while chanting the Bhagavad Gita. So, I'll come with a new concept in my next video. Till then, be enthusiastic to listen. Thank you. Click the like button and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for all the notifications.